Hello guys, as I told you yesterday, I make a video about one of my students. He made 156%. It's like yesterday we said $23,674.55. But understand that on Friday he did not sell. So today we have another gap up, and it was the jackpot. It means he is making right now like 254% in one single trade. This is one of the best trades that my students have done. And as you know, I have explained yesterday, and I will explain to you now, that following the trend, when you are right and you buy on the right moment, these are the criteria where you can get the most. And I understand that this is a penny stock. Understand, penny stock is excellent, but as you know me, I am always following, like what I teach to my students, to follow trends. Not to follow, for example, a gap up, because you know a gap up is 50-50, 50%, and when you have the earnings or so it's just 50%. So it's like more gambling than trading. But what I like in these trades is when you follow a trend and then you have gap ups. This what makes the trade excellent. Okay, so let's see the chart. Now, as you can look at the chart, there is a gap up. This is before, this is in 28 February. This is because of the coronavirus, when we have the news before the collapse of the market. We have a news for this IBO, so it has a gap up. It was, for example, here at 87 cents. It goes to $3.40. Then it goes down, touches the support line, goes down, and then, as you can see. So, as I told you before, last video I did it yesterday. It was on Friday. This is Friday. But fortunately, and the good news, I think some people have bought on Friday afternoon or in the morning of Monday. What did happen is we have another gap up. And it is 63.94 for today only. See? 64.94% today. But he has bought earlier following the trend, and it was 254%. Okay? So, as I told you, this is one of the best trades. And understand, if I tell you this, maybe you can understand what I'm saying. If you just for 2 months or 3 months, you put $10,000 in a stock, and then after 2 months or 3 months, you get 35,000 or 40,000. That is a big money, man. It's real. Okay? When you are right. This is for everybody, every trader. So if you are following swing trading, okay? I'm not speaking about day trading, because day trading, you can't get that much, okay? You can get 2%, 5%, 3%, 1%, 7%, whatever you get, but you can't get 254% for a trade, okay? And this is why I use swing trading. And understand that my student has used 2 strategies. One is the strategy number 1, which I have this for this year, which is called coronavirus stocks strategy. I have shown to my students. We have applied this year, beginning from March, when I published my ebook, and I showed to my subscribers in my website. And then when the market collapsed, and the market reverses, I begin to buy stocks. I showed these stocks to my students in my subscription, and they are following me. So now we are at 89.61%. And I told my guys, if the market's still going good for these 2 or 3 or 4 months, we can get 100%. Now 100% in a year, it is one of the best years in trading. Okay, so go check, for example, Dow Jones or other stocks. It's hard. Okay, it's hard. Some stocks, the leaders, what can make you this kind of profits? So guys, if you are interested, I have made 3 videos explaining his trades. They are in the subscription, so you can see any subscription like silver or golden or whatever. You can just check, and you can check all the trades that we are in and that we have done before. The good thing about this is when I buy a stock, I tell them and I put video. It means something real. You can see it. You can see what I bought. If if the stock is not good, I sell it, and I show in that day that I sold this stock, and I give the reason why I sell it, why it doesn't work. If the stock works, I stay. I am not going to go out to leave the trend until it dries up. Okay? Or sometimes I just take the decision to exit because I have too much or too many profits, and I don't want to lose anything. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. So the link to the subscription are here in the description if you want to check it. If you have other inquiries, or you have some stocks that you are stuck in, either you have done good or you have done bad, you can just email me. The email is in the description. And please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with others in Facebook. And so thank you very much, and have a nice day.